Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening the worksheet where you want colored search highlights. Press Ctrl plus F to open the Find dialog. Once open, click Options to reveal detailed fields. Make sure the Home ribbon is visible because you will use the Find and Select group and conditional formatting later. If cells are protected or the sheet is locked, unprotect it first. Otherwise, formatting changes will fail. Now enter the text or value to search for in the Find What box, and keep the dialog open while you prepare the formatting step. Once you have the Find dialog ready, close it and go to Home, right arrow Conditional Formatting, right arrow New Rule to create a highlight rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format, and enter a formula that returns true for matches. For example, equals isNumber, search. Your text, A1 or equals A1 equals, exact text depending on case sensitivity. Then click Format and choose the fill color you want for search hits. Make sure the Applies to Range covers the cells you will search so highlights appear immediately. To finish, test the rule by typing or finding sample values. Excel will color match cells based on your rule. If you need workbook-wide behavior, copy the rule to other sheets or set Applies to with sheet-scoped references. Make sure conditional formatting rules are ordered correctly and not overridden by other formats. Use Manage Rules to reorder or delete. If things go wrong, check that the sheet is unprotected and that the formula references are correct. Repairing those two issues usually restores expected highlighting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.